Hey everyone, this is Rick Wong here. I'm going to give you 6 very easy to do lowest hanging fruit tasks to lower your ACoS right now. So first thing I'll do, which I think is the lowest hanging fruit, is to add search term as negatives. So situations that you're bidding on keywords or targets where it's not exact match, there are opportunities there for you to add as a negative from the search term panel. So how you're going to go about this is that you're going to go to the ad group, go to the search terms. You're going to max it out to 65 days, sort by clicks. So you're going to sort through this and look at particular search terms where you see that there is no attribution. Let's just go to the filter, orders equals to 0. And there is no attribution to any orders, right? But you have like loads of clicks. So what you can do is that think about how much you're going to filter for. For example, like how many clicks is your threshold before you attribute to no sales and you want to add as negative. So in my opinion, you want to do anything that is over 9 clicks. So that would equate to around 10% conversion. So around 9 to 10 would be like the threshold that I would normally use. So in this case, I see like 26 clicks, right, with no sales. So this is a negative for sure. So in this case, I would add as negative. Done. So, and then the next thing I would do, number 2, is I would reduce budgets and add bid rules. Let's go back to our campaign. Sometimes your ACoS could jump because you're just overspending on a campaign, right? So what is great now is that we have something called a budget rule, right? So you can do is like lower your budget to, let's just say, in this case, 125. Right. But I will set the budget rules telling Amazon that if the performance of the campaign hit a certain threshold, I want to do this much to the campaign budget, increase or decrease based on performance. So here, what I can tell Amazon to do is that, hold on, let me go to a sponsored product campaign. Right, this one right here. Let's just decrease this to 25. But, then you could go to like the budget rules here. And then what I have in this rule is that I'm telling Amazon, right, if the threshold of the ACoS is less than 20%, I want to increase the budget by 50%, right? So in this case, we're only gonna increase the budget if the performance of the campaign does what I want to. In this case, less than 20% ACoS. Number 3, the third way you could immediately decrease ACoS is if you go to the campaign settings, right? There are different bid strategies, right? So that would be down bid only, dynamic up and down, and fixed bid, right? And I can detail more about what each does in the article below. But if you want to lower the ACoS immediately, you're going to pick down only, right? In this situation, Amazon is going to automate the bid down, and that would reduce your bid and cost per click, hence your ACoS in relation to that. Number 4, another way that for you to lower ACoS is perform dayparting. Amazon console right now don't have like a dayparting function for you to turn on and turn off ads based on the time of the day. But with SellerMetrics, we do offer dayparting. So let's quickly take a look. So why you want to do this is that, especially in like heavy competitive niches, right? There are situations where where after a certain time, right, maybe like after like midnight Eastern time, the conversion rate for buyers completely falls off, whether it's late at night or maybe they decide to maybe make a purchase later, right? So it's an opportunity for you to prevent wasted ad spend during this time, and you could just set your campaign to, for example, turn on for a particular period of time and turn off after certain hours. So this is a quick way for you to reduce your ad spend and preventing you spend on ad dollars during unoptimal hours. Right? In this case, I could set that as 9 to 9 p.m. and then I can set that every single day. So in this case, it's only going to turn on from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. PST. So 9 p.m. PST would be midnight Eastern. right? Again, with SellerMetrics, we support Dayparting. So if you're interested, we do offer a 14-day trial on that. Number 5 is the obvious one, is the bid optimization. So you're going to look at, so you have your target ACoS. At this point, you should know your target ACoS, which more or less would be your profit margin on your product. So what you're going to do with the bid ops, so I'm going to link a video that I would detail bid optimization. But basically in this case, you're going to find situations that you are bidding too high, where the ACoS is too high, and you're just going to bid down your targets, right? For example, in this case, I'm looking, my target ACoS is 20. So I would look for anything that is less than equal to 20, greater than equals to 20. And then these are my candidates to potentially bid down. So bid ops is very important, something that you should do on an ongoing basis. Number 6, the last and final one, is to stop bidding on broad match keywords. So this is especially for more mature products where you know you have a large set of keywords that has attribute to a sales, and that you do not need to experiment anymore with auto or broad match keywords. So if you only bid on phrase and exact match type on your money makers, then in this case you'll probably save a lot of money on campaigns that are more discovery, and you're just bidding on your cash cow keywords. Okay, so I think, so I was just gonna make this video short. So these are the 6 ways for you to reduce your ACoS immediately. So I hope you enjoyed the content. So again, I'm the founder of SellerMetrics. We are also an Amazon PPC agency, and we are specialized in data-driven optimization. So if you're interested in what we have to offer in terms of management and also our self-serve software, please check us out at sellermetrics.app. Also, if you like our content, please subscribe, and you can be notified to see more content that I would pump out in the future. Thank you.